Okay, don't panic. It's just a week's worth of accumulated chaos. My brain is screaming, procrastinate, but we're not going to listen today, are we? Nope. Being a mom of three, working two jobs, going to school, and also having ADHD, I can say I definitely get behind on my household chores throughout the week. I made it through the week, and now I've got to get my house back in order. So I get my beverage of choice and then also turn on some music.
Soundstripe.
Now let's do this. Cleaning isn't just about having a tidy space for me, but it's also about creating a calm and functional environment that'll help me focus and feel less overwhelmed. For me, a clean space equals a clear mind, and when things are cluttered, my brain also feels cluttered too. Whenever everything else seems more urgent or interesting, and just kind of takes over my focus. I wish I was one of those people that could just keep everything clean all the time. But I'll honestly say it's not that I don't want to clean, but it's just that my brain does not prioritize when there are so many other things to do. Having music on while doing a focused task such as cleaning is something that keeps me motivated and it keeps me moving. And also, whenever my mind starts to wander, it's something that I can latch onto to remember to stay focused. Music also feels kind of like a secret weapon. It helps me drown out the distractions that may come through my brain and keeps me from getting bored. Plus, it makes it fun. It makes it kind of feel like a dance party. Like with all the other focused tasks that I do, I also try to squeeze in some breaks. So I call this chunking. And this is whenever you do something and you're really focused for a while, for maybe say like 30 minutes, and then you take a break or you switch tasks and then you go back to the first thing that you were doing. My brain, it really does matter that I do this because focused tasks for too long makes me feel just either overwhelmed or bored. I used to try to power through things, but now I see how effective taking the breaks are because I'll go back to doing the task and not feel burnt out or unmotivated to do it efficiently. So, this is something that is very helpful, and it also just keeps me from getting overwhelmed or wanting to give up in the middle of trying to finish the task. People with ADHD often find dishwashing particularly challenging due to a few common things. So, sensory overload, the feeling of just like the wet food on the plates, or any other thing you come across while washing dishes, like the soap, it can be really overwhelming and overstimulating. Also, ADHD affects executive functioning like planning, prioritizing, and initiating tasks. So, starting and completing a multi step task like washing dishes can definitely feel daunting. And the repetitive nature of dishwashing can lead to boredom and difficulty with maintaining your focus. There is also this thing called time blindness, where people with ADHD often struggle with perceiving time accurately. So, what seems like a quick task, like washing dishes, can feel like it drags or takes forever, making it harder to stay focused. Basically, to sum it all up, household chores can be a perfect storm of sensory issues, executive function challenges, and can cause boredom from the repetitiveness. For those of you who also have ADHD or just have some issues or challenges with keeping up with your household maintenance throughout the week because of managing a lot of different things, what are some systems or ways that you keep up with your household maintenance and also do it in a timely way or a way that has really worked out for you? If you don't mind sharing, please do share by dropping a comment below.
Yay!
So remember, it's okay to not be perfect. Focus on progress, not flawlessness. Celebrate your small wins and acknowledge every little thing that you are able to do and put together when you do have time. And also just remember to be kind to yourself. We're all imperfect, and that's exactly how we were supposed to be. Thanks for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.